All right, makeup lovers, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a 3-minute ride through the hottest 2025 glowy skin trends, all seen through the magic of claymation. Let's start with the big one, butterskin. Forget the ultra glassy look of years past. This summer, it's all about skin that looks smooth, soft, and velvety. Think a subtle glow, not an oil slick. The vibe is I woke up like this, but better. If you want to nail it, prep your face with a lightweight vegan gel moisturizer. Squalane is your friend here. Then, go for a satin finish light coverage base like a tinted moisturizer. Now here's the trick. Grab a velour puff and press setting powder in gently. You're aiming for that cloud-like blurred finish, soft and dreamy, not cakey. Next up, the sun-kissed flush. You know that just baked in the sun look? We're faking it with cream blushes in red or terracotta, swiped across cheeks, nose, and even lips. Creams blend right in, letting your skin's natural dewiness shine through. If you want to level it up, meet the Blonzer. It's a blush-bronzer hybrid that brings warmth and instant vacation vibes. Freckles are also having a moment thanks to SCA. All you need is a freckle pen or a brown liner. Dot them on your nose and cheeks, then tap and blend for that believable sun-loved effect. And for the bold under-eye blush is in. Inspired by Sabrina Carpenter, dab a little pink or orange blush just below your eyes for a flirty, doll-like twist. On to lips. 2025 is ditching perfect lines for blurred, just-kissed lips. Smudge out your favorite lip color or pick up a matte balm built for that soft focus edge. And get this, gloss is back but with a twist. Sheer berry tones are all the rage, and a swipe of juicy lip oil or a glimmer of disco glitter on the Cupid's bow? Chef's kiss. Eyes are keeping it chill but impactful. Grab one matte shadow, maybe a trendy ash gray, or go wild with aquamarine inspired by Addison Rae, and sweep it all over the lid. Brows are lighter and softer now, so try a gel a shade or two down for that breezy, effortless look. And lashes, the bolder, the better. Think neon mascara. Pink, teal, clumpy, and proud, straight from the runway. Or if you're feeling grunge, skip the mascara and let a bold liner in the waterline do all the talking. But here's the deal. All these looks are about being easy, lightweight, and a little bit imperfect. Let your skin breathe, embrace vegan and cruelty-free products, and have fun with those blurred edges and clumpy lashes. So grab your brushes, or your clay, if you're feeling crafty, and get glowing. Which trend are you trying first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty adventures.